Hello, lovely people. Thank you and welcome once again to Abinasia's Recipes. In today's video, we are not cooking. I'm taking you to SeaWorld Aquatica in Orlando, Florida, guys.
Welcome to Aquatica. Please ensure all ticketed guests have their ticket in hand and are ready to scan.
So we're on our way to find a locker to keep our things, and then we changed into our swimming suits and we're ready to have fun. Aquatica is SeaWorld's water park where you can have wet and wild fun. It's the perfect place to relax, whether on the sandy beaches or the serene, lazy river. This is our second time here in Aquatica and we love the wave pool. The wave pool is a swimming pool which creates waves in the water. The experience of being in a wave pool is supposed to be similar to swimming in the ocean. It is so much fun, guys. Everyone in the family is a great swimmer except me. Of course, my own is in the kitchen, okay? So whenever I get in the wave pool, I pretend I'm also a good swimmer. If today is your first time on this channel, a warm welcome to you. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you have not subscribed yet, please kindly do me a favor and subscribe so that you can be part of this family. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to support. God bless you. Next, they went on the water slide, and they know I'm not a big fan of roller coaster and water slides. So the best thing I did was to film them enjoy this adventure. Good job, guys. You did it. How was it, Nathan?
It was like supersonic. It was like
I can.
It was good.
I think I should have gotten on it. It's coming, Daddy. Oh, there's Gabby. There's Shishi.
I won the race.
Hey, girls.
Who won?
Good job, girls.
Gabby, you won the race.
Good job. Is Daddy coming?
Who won the race?
I can hear him already. Look at him. Good job, guys. Yes. How was it? Was it fun? Was it fun? Hurry up, guys. Was it fun? Come on, let's go. How was it? How was it? Next, we took our 6-year-old to the Kids Splash Zone. It is a play area and a playground for kids. So much fun here as well.
It's so cold.
There was so much fun adventures that I couldn't film here. My phone died on me, but I hope you're enjoying this video so far. And if you are, please kindly give me a big thumbs up. And then if you have not subscribed yet, kindly subscribe. Thank you. After a wonderful splash day here in Aquatica, before leaving, we made sure to stop by the aquarium to see some of the fish. And you know, kids love aquarium.
Oh, it's right here! That's not that one. Oh.
That is a
Killer whale. It's not a killer whale. What is it? Look at those little fishes. There's so much of them. Oh, look at a shark. It's not a shark. Oh, no. Look at all those
oh,
fishes.
look at that.
Look.
Look, Chichi, look, that's an orca.
There it is. Oh.
Gabby, look, that's an orca. I know.
What is it?
Gracie, look, that's an orca. The
Alright.
black and white people.
I saw them pass by here, but
Dolphins?
They're so behaving. They are not eating each other.
I see the dolphin.
Thank you for staying with me until this time. If you have not subscribed yet, please kindly do me a favor and subscribe. Please kindly share this video, give it a thumbs up, and then you hit the post notifications so anytime I upload a video, you will be notified. And until I come your way next time, please stay safe and stay blessed. Bye guys.